In this video, I'll show you how to remove the billing address from the packing slip in Shopify. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then the bottom left corner, click on Settings, and then select Shipping and Delivery. Now scroll all the way down under Shipping Documents section, select Packing Slip Template. Before making changes, make sure to save the backup copy of the current template. For that, place the cursor in the code editor, then press Ctrl-A to highlight all the code, Ctrl-C for copy, then paste the code in plain text document on local computer. Now we are ready to make the changes. Once again, place the cursor in the code editor, then press Ctrl-F and define field type billing-address, and then press Enter. Look for the div tag, which includes the class of billing address. In my case, it's located on line 59. We're going to comment out all this code until the closing div tag, which is located on line 86, right here. Now scroll up and add space above the opening div tag. On the line above, add left and right curly braces. In between, add 2 percentage signs. In between percentage signs, type comment. Copy the liquid tag, then paste it under the closing div tag, right here. And finally, instead of comment, type end comment. Once you're done, at the very top, click on Save. Let's exit this page. Let's try opening one of the orders. Let's open this one. At the top right corner, click on Print, Print Packing Slips. And as you can see, the updated packing slips no longer include the billing address. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.